Alright, so what I'm gonna show you guys, this is kind of the landscape of what it used to be before the eruption of the volcano happened. This is a little example of the land here. And this is called Marañón. This is the cashew tree. This is where the cashew comes from. I didn't know a cashew tree was that freaking big, but there you go. And then now we're gonna go, so from the museum, this is right across. This is the Parque Arqueológico Joya de Ceren. So let's continue. Because from here we're gonna go to the hot spring, so we're just trying to do a quick stop so we could get the maximum quality to view everything. ¿Y a dónde fueron? Oh, okay. Oh yeah, this mango trees. This one's huge. Ma, este de mango. Mira que grande. That mango tree is huge. This is just right after the roundabout in that area, so we just came around. Looks like there's a river. This is the next area. It's further. It's not just that one part, which is awesome. This, at least for right now, is covered because they're still excavating. So this is still a work in progress. I'm not sure how long ago this was discovered. I will have to look back, and I'm taking just pictures of everything because we're trying to go quick here, but they're still excavating things. And then this right here, where we're going to, it's a replica, just so it could give us a general idea of their, I think their houses. Okay, I'm gonna go into this is a replica of the bathhouse. Look. Oh my God! Oh Jesus! There's a cockroach in here. I'm out.
Por el hoyito, por la ventana.
It's huge. Oh, I love the echo. Oh, chica. Ay, Dios mío.
Voy a sacar un selfie. Aquí se bañaban.
Yeah. Yeah, so they would shower.
Yeah.